Hello friends, have you ever been on a study tour to any temple or to any beautiful place and you have been asked to write a report on study tour? Then let's come to know to some words through which you can give your study tour report an effective look. Magnificent, very beautiful. The magnificent sight of the seashore or any temple is heart-touching. Ravishing, wonderful. The natural scenery beside the temple looks so ravishing. Adorning, beautification, saundarjikarana. The government is about to spend a large amount of money for adorning the temple. Didactic. Shikshanaya. Our study tour to State Museum was didactic and informative in nature. Antiquity. Prachinata, ancient time. 400 BC stone inscription proves the antiquity of this temple. Enchanted. The surrounding of the temple, decorated by different art galleries, is enchanted. Inscription. Khodita Lipi. The stone inscription by Emperor Ashoka increases the popularity of this temple. Subscribe for more valuable information.